Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, turn that bell on. Thank you so much. Welcome back again, everyone. So today we're gonna make some nice fillet tilapia fish. We're gonna fry him up nicely and cook him down. All right, we're gonna do the brown stew away. So this is the only season and spice that I'm using. It's right here, everything mixed up in that bowl right there. So those three only. All right, something well seasoned. I have taste. So rub the fish just like this, and all of them are going up like that. Every one of them are going up like that. Sorry, see it here? Put him with tilapia in a hot oil and make him fry up nicely. And remember, this is tilapia, you know, fillet tilapia, and we are doing it the Jamaican style. We are browning him up nicely and we're going to cook him down. Okay, so this is it, and this is what we have. Let me put my pepper in my pot. Alright, now there it is. We're going to let him to fry, and remember we have some more to fry. So when we're done fry him up, and we're going to turn him over, we'll soon come back and we're going to show him. Alright, remember we are cook this together. Cook with love. Look at this, my people. This is what we have. Alright, soon come back again. Don't go away. See it here now, everyone. The fish turn over on the other side, and we will be browning the other side also. Okay? Yes, you people, this is what we have. So remember, we have a good amount of fish to fry. So see it there? As you can see, I'm still using the same pot that I used to fry the fish. This one is not as bad as the chicken. So here am I going in with all the seasons. Alright, so we're going to saute up with Caesar like this. We are saute up with Caesar, just like how you see me I do it right here, everyone. Smell nice to see the aroma from sauteed vegetables. Oh my, from sauteed season. It smells so good. Yes, it tastes like good. So see it there? And we are doing it just like that. See it here? I put in my ketchup in my pot. So now we are going with a little bit of water. Same pan that I used to put the season on. Alright now, everyone. Now this is it. Remember, you don't want too much water. Okay? You don't want too much water, so you're going to make this bubble up. Just like this. So now that we season, I'm going to simmer down. We're going to put in the fish them in a pot. Okay, everyone? And we're going to pour it all up on the top of the fish. Just like that. See it? So we're going to do all of this. We're going to do the fish like that. And then we're going to show you. We're going to cover him up and make him simmer. Okay? So see it there, everyone? This is it. So fish will simmer down nice and I make him nice gravy. Okay? Stay tuned, man, for the end result. Alright, everyone. See it here? Fish well done. Okay? Now remember, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. See there, everyone? Yes, that is it.